Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna try avocado with buttons. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but yeah, I will peel it, slice them, then make some creation and see how it goes. Okay, nicely peeled. Can you see this line? And this one? I'm gonna slice them in this direction and then I will try to shape it somehow. Here we go. You can create various shape and sizes. As you can see, they will change color. So it is different. You can see it from the other side. So I'm gonna let it dry. You can put some oil on it. I've got here cyanotype. I haven't tried it yet, but if I fancy, I think I will color them and let them expose to light and see what happens. They should turn nice blue, but let me try them first and see how it goes. And guys, the verdict is it didn't work out very well with the cyanotype. It doesn't work for these. So I show you what was the intention. This is on the paper. These two are my very first prints. I am completely new to this, but I will definitely have a go. So I soak these in the liquid, let them dry, and then I put some flowers on the top of these and let them in the sun. And I was hoping I would have some nice prints as these, but yeah, check this out. Basically this is it. The print is just here. Maybe I will buy some color and just paint them. But yeah, if you leave them in their natural state, they should be nice. And yeah, you can just put some oil on it. And yeah, so if you don't know what to do with avocado, you can use it as making your own buttons. So let me know in the comments below if you are going to try it or if you ever made them. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.